Have you ever felt completely stuck trying to explain an unspoken rule or a sudden responsibility in English? You know exactly what is expected of you, but the right words just aren't there. To navigate these situations clearly, you need one specific phrase, supposed to. It is a highly efficient way to communicate rules, duties, and expectations. Grab a pen and a piece of paper right now. By the end of this video, we are going to build a personalized 4-sentence framework that you can use as a reference. Let's look at what this phrase actually means. As this equation shows on screen, supposed to combines 4 ideas into one. It means something you should do, something you are expected to do, a formal rule, or a personal duty. Writing these formulas down as we go helps anchor the structure in your memory, making it much harder to skip the small verbs that usually cause this phrase to fail. Go ahead and divide your paper into 4 empty squares. In the top left square, write the word positive. The formula begins with the subject, followed by am, is, or are, then supposed to, and the action verb. Example, I am supposed to wake up shows a duty. We are supposed to wear uniforms is a rule. Now, write an expectation using this structure, including the to be verb. Strictly anchoring your sentence with that specific verb is what gives the sentence its grammatical tense. Without it, the entire structure falls apart. Move to the top right square on your paper. We will use this section to discuss plans that failed yesterday. Watch the formula update for the past. The present tense verbs slide away, replaced by was or were. Notice supposed to never changes. Example, they were supposed to arrive at 10 o'clock, but were late. The expectation existed in the past, but the plan failed. Take a moment to write down one expectation from your own past that did not happen, using was or were supposed to. Because only the to be verb controls the time, attempting to conjugate the base verb, like saying supposed to went, is mathematically incorrect based on the formula you just wrote down. Now, look at the bottom left square on your paper. This is where we establish boundaries and identify broken rules. As you can see in this updated formula, to make a sentence negative, the word not slots directly between your red to be verb and the yellow supposed to. This gives us clear boundaries, like you are not supposed to park here. Finally, move to the bottom right square. This is how you ask other people about their duties and expectations. Look at how the arrows swap the positions in our diagram. To ask a question, simply move the am, is, or are to the very front, before the subject. This creates questions like, are you supposed to work today? Complete your framework right now by writing one negative sentence and one question on your paper. Mastering these simple inversions and additions completes your communicative toolkit. You can now clearly state what should happen, enforce what shouldn't, and clarify exactly what is expected. Pause for a moment and review all 4 sentences you just wrote. We need to audit your notes to ensure you haven't omitted the to be verb entirely. Look at this split-screen comparison. On the left, the broken structure, I supposed to go. On the right, the correct version, I am supposed to go. This applies to all pronouns. She supposed to and they supposed to must become she is supposed to and they are supposed to. Verifying the presence of am, is, are, was, or were in your notes is the final quality check needed before you face the mastery test. It is time to practice what you've learned. We are going to finish up with a rapid-fire 5-question fill-in-the-blank test. Look at these 3 statements about daily routines and plans. Speak the missing verb out loud for each one. Number 1, I blank supposed to wake up early. Number 2, she blank supposed to call me. Number 3, they blank supposed to arrive at 9 p.m. Let's check your work. You should have supplied am, is, and are. Now complete the final 2 questions, utilizing the negative and question formats. Number 4, we blank not supposed to make noise. And number 5, blank you supposed to work today. Here are the final answers. Both blanks require the word are. You now have a completed reference sheet for every common variation of this phrase. Take that paper with you and use one of these 4 specific sentences in an English conversation today.